Hey everybody, Mark Rickert here with Rickert Property Group. Hope you're doing well. Did you have a good Christmas? Did you have a good Hanukkah? And are you prepared for 2021? Well, in today's video, I wanted to talk about tenacity and being tenacious when it comes to either selling your home or buying a home or finding that perfect investment property. You know, I was talking to a first-time agent the other day and first year, and they were getting a little bit discouraged and trying to help a buyer find a property because, as you know, inventory's low. And we discussed that a lot about being tenacious and having the tenacity to not only in our own lives when we face obstacles and obstructions and things that we have to get over, but you know, when we're dealing with our clients and friends and customers, we also have to be tenacious. We've got to be committed to the process to helping our clients find the best property. So being tenacious in a low inventory situation, like for example in Albuquerque, we've had as few as 998 homes, I think, recently. Less than 1,000 homes for a giant metro like Albuquerque. So as a buyer, being tenacious and committed to the process of finding that home and trusting the process that you will. As a seller, you're a happy camper right now. Things are flying off the shelf, especially in that 250 range and below. And then also investment buyers, people looking for great cap rates and cash on cash returns are having a little bit more of a struggle on that with all the 1031 exchange money coming in. So anyway, if you found any value in this, click the thumbs up, like button. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Leave your comments, good ones, bad ones, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. For all of us from Rickert Property Group, we wish you a great 2021. See ya. Bye.